help support the companies that support our community. I really enjoy these types of projects. It's just fun to work through the whole process as you're doing it. I did a Cryptex years ago, and it was just fun to figure out all the mechanics as I was making the project. If you haven't seen that one, I'll put a link up at the end of this video. So this little piece here is out of walnut, and it's going to be a little washer that holds the bottom of it's going to mount underneath the bottom of the lid, so that when you pull the lid off, the lid doesn't slide all the way down to that little keyway. And the wood turning gods stole it. I ripped the shop apart. I have no idea where it went. So anyway, I had to make another one. The finial I did was out of African Blackwood, so I cut the basic shape out on the bandsaw and then did sanding with the sanding pad on the lathe to just get the basic shape down. And then along with that and all the other little pieces, I sanded them up to 600. So I didn't put oil on anything except for the bottom of the box, because that doesn't have anything glued to it. So I wanted to get everything glued together before I put the oil on it. For the piece of African Blackwood, I took in that piece, the little walnut button, and carved a little channel in it and glued that onto there. And as far as the glue up goes, a little bit of glue goes a long way. So you don't want to get too much on there, because you have to sand it off, or the wax or any finish won't go back over the top of it. So just little bits of sanding. I let that set up for about an hour after I got all the main pieces glued together, and then I glued the little button on, and I let that set up for about an hour, and then finish it off, the whole piece off, with the Howard's beeswax and orange oil. That's what's in that little tub. So this was a fun one. It was, I've been wanting to do this for a while, but it just keeps getting put on the back burner. So it's just a little keyway. The lid won't come off until you turn it to the right position. So it's not a whole lot of a puzzle, but I think it's a fun project, and the lid spins everything. So again, it's out of maple burl, walnut, and then the very top there is African Blackwood. But it was a fun one. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit the like, subscribe button, and ring the bell. You'll be notified when our next video comes out. All right, till next time, take care. I forgot to mention I used poplar for the dowel that went down the center, and the reason I did that is because it's a really stable wood. It won't swell or shrink very much, and you don't want to use a piece of wood that's going to swell up and stick the whole piece together.